The most innovative kitchen ideas. The term contemporary has evolved as people have changed their choice of taste. What might have been elegant and sleek 10 years ago may not be such a trendy thing today. Throughout all these changes, one area has always been at the forethought of many women and men alike: the style and functionability of their kitchens. Kitchens can be redone like any other room of a home, but there are consistent pieces that will always remain: kitchen cabinets. Choosing to remodel your kitchen is more than just deciding on a stove or refrigerator. It is also what type of kitchen cabinets you want to use. Kitchen cabinets are treasure troves for both adults and children, as it contains sweets for the kids and maybe that special coffee grinder for you. For some, it is a place to hide a family treasure that means a lot to them but doesn't necessarily go with the rest of your home.